This is the brand new RR Signature Twilight Fan. This premium and silent BLDC fan runs on just 36 watts, comes with an RF remote, has a 5-star BEE rating and includes a 5-year warranty. That means it reduces the power consumption by more than half compared to your old fans. Today we are unboxing it, testing it and telling you everything you need to know before you buy it. Now, before we get into the details, let's talk a little bit about the brand. RR Signature is the premium flagship brand of RR Kabel, an Indian company that has been a trusted name in the electrical industry for over 40 years. The Twilight is their latest premium BLDC ceiling fan and it looks incredibly promising. Let's open up this box and see exactly what you get inside the box. So here we have the box. It's sturdy cardboard packing with the RR signature branding right on the front and all the highlighted features printed right here on the sides. This fan comes in green packaging, which means it packed in biodegradable material that's good for the environment. Okay, the first thing that comes out, and I really love this, is a pair of gloves. They included for the installation. Let's see what else we get inside. First, we have the mounting hardware, the ceiling cap, canopy covers, down rod cover, and the shackle assembly kit. Along with that, you get the RF remote with 2 batteries, the user manual, and the warranty card. And finally, we have 3 blades and the fan motor housing itself. Everything is neatly packed, the blades are wrapped in protective foam, and the motor unit feels solid right out of the box. There's no rattling and no loose parts. It leaves a really good first impression. And just holding this motor unit in my hands, I really feel the weight. That's a 100% copper motor inside. A copper motor has better power efficiency, longer life, and lower maintenance requirements. Overall, the packaging is clean, protective, and practical. RR Signature has done a great job here. The first thing you notice about this fan is its clean, modern, and well-designed look. The motor housing is compact and low profile, meaning it sits close to the ceiling without looking bulky at all. Now the blades on the Twilight are made from high quality ABS engineering plastic. If you aren't familiar with ABS, it's fantastic because it's lightweight, incredibly strong, moisture resistant, and it won't warp or crack over the time. The finish on these blades is completely smooth and matte. There are absolutely no rough spots or sharp edges, and all 3 blades feel perfectly consistent and well balanced. When it comes to color option, this fan actually comes in 4 different shades: matte black, walnut, gray, and white. The unit I have here is the matte black version, and the finish is deep, rich, and beautifully non-reflective. Overall, the design and the build quality of the Twilight is genuinely impressive. It looks and feels like a premium product. Now let's talk about the specifications. The Twilight features a 1200 sweep, which is about 48 inches. That's your standard full-size sweep, making it perfect for medium to large rooms. Next up is the wattage, and this is where the things get really interesting. A regular older ceiling fan typically runs anywhere between 50 and 90 watts. The Twilight, it runs at just 36 watts. I am actually going to test this later in the video using energy meter so you can see it in the real time, and it can translate into a massive savings on your electricity bill. Because of its efficiency, it carries a 5-star BEE rating. the highest energy efficiency rating awarded by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency in India. Airflow delivery is 245 cmm, which is a great number for 36-watt fan. The RPM is 300, which is on the moderate side, but thanks to the high efficiency of the BLDC motor, you still get excellent consistent airflow throughout the room. The Twilight operates on an extremely wide voltage range of 100 to 300 volts. This means the fan will keep running smoothly even during low voltage drops. Under the hood, this BLDC fan has advanced brushless DC motor technology and 100% copper windings. As you might know, copper motors runs much cooler, last longer, and are far more efficient over time. And finally, let's talk about the noise. The Twilight is part of RR Signature's Whisper series and it's rated a 50 decibels or below. Alright, now let's take a look at how this remote actually works. Because this is an RF remote, it works from absolutely anywhere in the room, meaning you don't have to point it directly at the fan for it to respond. To turn the fan on, press the power button once, then press it again to turn it off. For speed control, you get 6 dedicated buttons for 6 different speed settings. When you set the speed, the LEDs on the fan will blink to match the selected speed level. If you want to check your current speed later on, just press this center button and the LEDs will flash to show you exactly what speed it's running at. You can also control the fan's built-in lights using the dedicated LED button to turn them completely on or off. Another great feature is the built-in timer. You can set the fan to automatically turn off after 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours. To confirm your choice, the RR logo on the fan will blink to match the hours you choose. 2 times for 2 hours, 4 times for 4 hours, and so on. Finally, if you want to run the fan in reverse direction, which is fantastic for circulating warm air and is useful in winter seasons, just hit the reverse button. To switch it right back to forward mode, simply press that same button again. Overall, the remote is beautifully designed, incredibly lightweight, and it responded instantly every single time without any delay. So as you can see, I have installed this fan to the ceiling and it has truly unique look up there. The company also provide free installation for this fan. Now I'm going to put it to the test and show you exactly how it performs in real world. But before we start, here is a quick tip. No matter which brand BLDC fan you use, they are all designed to run without a wall regulator. If you have an old regulator connected to your switchboard, make sure to remove it or bypass it first because the remote handles everything. Let's start at speed 1, which is the lowest setting. At this speed, the airflow is very gentle and the fan itself is absolutely silent. Let's pump it to speed 2. The airflow here is decent, not too overpowering, just a nice light breeze. Moving up to speed 3 and 4, the airflow improves significantly. And now at speed 5, this is where most of us will leave the fan running for most of the day. The airflow is noticeable stronger now. And if you look at the leaves on these plants right here, you can clearly see just how much air it's pushing across the room. And now for the big one, boost mode at full speed. I am directly standing beneath the fan right now and the breeze is incredibly strong. It distributing the air beautifully, reaching all the way into the corners of the room, and even at maximum speed, listen carefully, the fan is still amazingly quiet. compared to normal induction fans. Next, let's test the actual power consumption. As you can see, I have wired up the energy meter right here to see the real-time consumption. Even at the maximum speed in the boost mode, it consumes only about 37 watts. Even if your power goes out, this fan will keep running on your backup inverter for a long time without rapidly draining your battery. For your reference, I have tested the exact wattage at every speed level and I am showing that data right on the screen for you now. So, is this fan actually worth your hard earned money? Let me give you my honest final verdict. First, in the terms of aesthetics, the fan looks incredibly premium and offers you four different color options to match your decor. Second, that 100% motor copper directly impacts its long-term durability and efficiency. Third, it handles voltage fluctuation effortlessly with an incredibly wide range of 100 to 300 volts. Fourth, it's exceptional energy efficient and has a 5-star BEE rating. Fifth, you get an RF remote that works seamlessly from absolutely anywhere in the room. And sixth, RR Signature gives you excellent peace of mind with a 3 plus 2-year warranty. So that is all for this video. If you have any question about the RR Signature Twilight or if you are planning to buy one, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.